Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and comment a GIF on Instagram. So this video is going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and add a GIF to a comment on an Instagram post. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right on in. So you guys can see here that we are currently on Leo Messi's account. And let's say I want to go ahead and comment a GIF under his post. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this very newest post that he's actually posted. And I'm going to go ahead and head over to the comment section. Now, you guys can see that there are already GIFs people are posting underneath this post, and essentially in order to do that, all you have to do is pretty much just make a comment here, and you're gonna find a GIF option right next to the post option right here. Now if you don't have this, some of the cases might be that you may have to update your Instagram app, and if you actually go ahead and update your Instagram app, you'll be able to get that option. Now if you don't actually have the option right after updating Instagram, all you have to do as of right now is wait. Now, it's currently a waiting game because Instagram or Meta is actually loading or actually rolling these out to all the other people that want to use them. So you have to stay very patient, guys, when it comes to this. And it's just a waiting process. Where I see it right now is 1 to 2 week wait just for this GIF option to roll out. But essentially, that's how you go ahead and comment a GIF on an Instagram post. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. And with that being said, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.